any kind of insight that we provide to a customer has to go through three steps. So one is, of course, like you said, the data gathering of data has to then get converted to some sort of a cohesive, coherent output, and then it needs to be contextualized. So those are the key steps. Within the data layer, I think the AI tools that can go grab data from the far corners of the internet, we're now going to beat. So when it comes to publicly available data, we just have to make sure that we're using these LLMs in the best possible way. The critical thing is now that everybody has access to these LLMs, if you're only relying on publicly available data, you're not going to be competitive because everybody has access. Your competitors do, your suppliers do, everybody else. Well, so what we're putting our energy on within Beroe is how do we make sure that we're getting the non-public data sets? So information that's behind paywall, information that's in a market expert's head, information that is within the community. So that's the thing that we're focusing on is how do we take all of those insights and convert it into data signals that can then be integrated with the publicly available data. Then the conversion of all of this data into an output, I would say that if you can put some good guardrails around the tool itself, the conversion from data to a report, the LLMs are going to do better than most human beings do. So that our role is more of the human validation. I think we can again add a lot of value is the contextualization. Because bringing in the customer context and all of the qualitative factors that are important to them and their business, I think is another critical thing. So when you bring in that contextualization, I think again, human impact, human interventions really useful. So I think the future from a market intelligence perspective is how do we focus our energies on the information that is in people's heads, get that qualitative expert input, supply input, the community input. I think that's going to be key.